I'm in the mood of something round and cheesy. Let's try Forsa Pizzeria.
It has been voted the best pizzeria in Finland. Pizza of the week is pizza lasagna.
Mortadella double crunch.
The waiter brought us some chips and some mayo so that we don't starve to death in here.
Ta-da-da-da-da!
Here we have truffle pizza with crispy guanciale, burrata, white truffle oil. I don't know. I seriously don't know, but it looks amazing. And here we have a ragu pizza. Look at it. Look at it.
It's a lasagna pizza, you crazy girl.
Lasagna ragu pizza. Finally. Let's try.
One bite, everybody knows the rules. Lasagna pizza. Literally.
I knew it!
It's good. It's wonderful.
Now I understand why they told me to stay away from this place. Because I am creating a puddle.
Kato best pizza.
Kato best pizza.
Kato best pizza here once again. Oikeasti. Kato moro.
Crisscross.
Now we can tell with great confidence that Forsa Pizzeria is Snuikko and Irene approved. Go ahead.
It is the best pizza in town.
In town.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.